Hello, Kami-Guy 08 returns back again, and he's making another return to do this game of Wheel of Fortune for the PS2. Now we got it going on, but the game closed, so we're gonna do a
one player.
redo.
You can play a game with a time limit or a game with a fixed number of rounds.
Let's go to Oriental's game. And I got two start guessing phones of Aubrey and Chloe.
And I've got so bad and fat, and that's so fat, he's got mustard on his sleeve.
And I'm not going to fall for that one.
Mystery, intrigue, romance. We've got it all for you because it's Orient Escape Day here on Wheel of Fortune. And now, here's your host for Wheel of Fortune, Vanna White.
My other
Thanks,
channel,
Charlie. Welcome to our game.
well,
We've
I
got
am
some
playing on
great
this
new
game,
puzzles for you.
actually.
So
My
let's
other
get
channel
started.
is on a multi-million-dollar one.
Let's take a look at our first category. Things. Player 1, over to you.
6 and 11.
One R in this puzzle.
Again!
Here are 3 S's.
Well, that's much better. By the E.
2 E's.
No, this would be weird. An X?
Yes, sir. We've got one of those.
Right. Six again. I like the P.
Good guess. We've got one for you.
And I don't got a bottle, so... Again! F.
There's 1 in this puzzle.
L.
1 L for you.
There we go.
Good
Hey.
guess. We've got one for you.
$42.50. I think this is totally good. Facial expressions. Thank you, Aubrey.
You did it! Fantastic. was a fun round. Let's see how everyone's doing. Let's get ready for the next round.
Yes, I named the computer players. All right.
Our category this time around is... Where are we?
We're right here.
This round, there's a prize on the wheel. Charlie, tell us all about it.
Making waves is a blast in this new jet ski, valued at $5,200.
Player 2, you're up.
5, 6, 7, 8, 3.
I'm gonna spin. Come on, show me the big money.
How about S as in snake?
2 of them, as a matter of fact.
I think it's time to purchase a vowel. I hope there's an I.
There are 2 eyes.
2 eyes.
I'd like to spin. See that big one. I will try T.
Okay, 4 T's, as a matter of fact.
Oh, I'll spin, Vanna.
$5.50.
I'll take an M.
Yes, sir, we've got one of those.
I'll buy a vowel, Vanna. I'd like an O.
Nice move. There are 2 of them.
I'll spin.
$300.
I'd like an L.
You would not.
No. Player 3, on to you.
I think I'll spin, Vanna.
Well, there's that free. Here's that free spin.
There's gotta be an N.
1 N in this puzzle. You get a free spin.
I'd like to spin, please.
$900.
Give me an R, please.
We have 1 R for you.
Let's give this a spin. Come on, show me the big money.
Preston. Is that big, my friend?
Oh, I don't believe it.
I do.
Oh, no. What a shame. You want to use that free spin of yours?
This looks like a good time to use my free spin. I'll spin the wheel.
Oh, we nearly had it again.
How about an F?
No way.
Can't help you this time. Sorry. Player 1, over to you.
H.
1 H in this puzzle.
$5 again. C.
1 C. Where is it?
Now we're gonna be on the same side with 5 again. B.
Good guess. We've got one for you.
Lordy. We'll be right back.